All right, so I already have my foundation on, but today I'm going to be applying makeup for the first time with my new hair color. I was known for having red hair or copper hair for a very long time, and now I'm back to my roots and I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to go for a simple makeup look that I've been wearing for years, but I have to adjust a color scheme so that it could go along with my hair color. It's going to be a little different now, and my eyebrow color has changed. So we're gonna get back to the original Kiana. This version of myself is the purest form. I've got my natural hair color back. I feel like myself again, and I'm really excited about it. Now let's get started with the makeup application. I already applied my highlight and contour with the cream and foundation. What I'm doing is I'm just setting it and enhancing it a little bit more. Other than that, I'm really excited about this. I know I haven't posted in a long time. Trust me, there was a good reason. Now I'm back and better than ever. Oh, it's a little chilly. Let me put on a sweater. All right, I have a sweater on. I'm just, you know, toasting the edges. I like a more like bronzy look. Again, this is just to enhance what I've already created underneath the foundation. Going to apply some blush, and I like to blend my blush colors. Let's see. Let me apply. Oop, I just dropped just this blush right here on the tops of the cheeks. The weather is cooling down and I'm so excited. I love summertime and spring and all of that. The sun and the heat outside feels so good. Feels so good. But when it starts to cool down, that means it's Christmas. Christmas is coming. Anybody else excited? I don't know if people still apply highlighter. I still do. I want my skin to glow. Well, your skin should just already be glowing with your skincare routine. I'm just talking about applying an extra glow factor. Ooh. When I had my light red hair color, my darker red hair color, I had to be very careful with how much eyeshadow I applied because of the contrast it would create. Now that I have darker hair, I feel that I can apply more. And that's always fun. Applying more eyeshadow. We want to be dramatic, even though I said I was gonna go for a natural look. Telling you, I'm applying some deep shades here. I applied cool gray, and now I'm going to apply a plum color. Ooh, I'm really loving this hair color. When I was younger, I would apply just midnight shades of midnight blue, purple, black, indigo on my lids, dark brown. I would wear a smoky eye all the time, and baby girl is coming back. And I'm applying a peach shade here. Ooh, we really went. We are going dramatic today. I know I said, oh, baby girl. I haven't applied makeup like this in a long time. I usually go very light, but today is gonna be the day that it's gonna change. A jade color on the lid. I'm telling you. Kiana's back. For the brows, eyeliner. I'm back. Look at how glamorous. Ooh, ooh. This is how I would always wear my makeup. Dark eyeliner, everything. Baby girl looks good. Thanks for watching. And there are more videos that are on their way. Have a great day, everybody.